Choose the word or words that, when inserted in the sentence to replace the blank or the blanks, best fits the meaning of the sentence. With a location that was blocked to traffic by ongoing construction work, the owners of the store had dire expectations regarding his revenue. However, with the implementation of electronic commerce, the location proved not to be as blank as originally thought. Before even looking at our choices, there are several clues in our sentence that help us understand the meaning of the word to fill the blank. Let's start by taking a closer look at our sentence. We start off with a description of a store that's blocked to traffic, which we can see as a bad setup for business. And indeed, we see that the owners of the store had dire expectations regarding his revenue, meaning he wasn't sure how he would make a living with his store being blocked off like this. The clause after the semicolon starts with however, indicating to us that whatever is going to be said now will negate what was said previously. In this case, the second clause goes on to explain how the business turned out to be okay, with the implementation of electronic commerce. By selling things online, the store owner was able to make things work even with an unfortunate location. Simply put, our sentence could be boiled down to the store owner didn't know how he'd make money with a bad location. However, by selling things online, the location wasn't as blank as originally thought. Now that we've simplified the sentence, we can see that the word in the blank should be something like bad or unfavorable. With this in mind, let's now take a look at our choices and see which one matches best. A. Auspicious. As auspicious means favorable or promising, we can see that this not only doesn't match what we're looking for, but is the opposite. This choice can be marked as incorrect. B. Contingent. Contingent means dependent on something, as in, the plan was contingent on us all arriving by 9 o'clock. Although there could be an argument made to say that this word is appropriate as the location proved to be not contingent on traffic, it's not a very strong connection. Regardless, we'll keep an eye on it as we look at our other choices. C. Opportune. Opportune is actually a synonym of auspicious, which we saw in choice A means favorable or promising. As we've already established that this is the opposite of what we're looking for, this choice can be marked off. D. Disadvantageous. Disadvantageous is comprised of several parts. The root, advantage, is followed by the suffix ous, which turns the noun advantage into the adjective advantageous, meaning, of course, something having an advantage. All of this is preceded, however, by the prefix dis, meaning not. Putting it all together, we can see that disadvantageous means unfavorable or detrimental, which we can see matches exactly what we're looking for. As this is a stronger match than contingent, we can mark choice B as incorrect and keep an eye on disadvantageous as we take a look at choice E. E. Unmanageable. This choice is similar to contingent. Although an argument could be made that the store turned out to be less unmanageable than expected, it isn't as strong as choice D, especially considering the fact that the owner was never concerned about managing the store. It was more about revenue. This being the case, this choice can be marked off, and choice D, disadvantageous, can be marked as our final answer.